Exercise can do wonders for your body, and one of the most underrated workouts that will make a huge difference in your life is the pull-up. Gaining muscle weight can be far easier if you learn how to do a pull-up, and it can really boost your confidence too. Pull-ups can be scary for people, and it can be discouraging just hanging from the bar and being unable to execute one correctly. Increasing pull-up strength will help carve out your physique though, and will make the other exercises that you do at the gym seem like a walk in the park. Whether you're learning how to do your first pull-up or trying out different pull-up variations, your body will thank you if you're able to properly incorporate this into your routine. That's why today we are going to cover what daily pull-ups will do for you and your body. Number 1, it improves your mental health. Pull-ups are categorized as a strength training exercise that isolates specific muscle groups in your body. Strength training exercises were highlighted in a series of 2010 studies as a way to increase cognitive function, reduce anxiety, and even help with your self-esteem. This study also suggested that people suffering from depression-like symptoms felt better after they incorporated some strength training exercises into their lives. The great thing about pull-ups is that you can easily set up a way to do them from the comfort of your own home, and if you have to choose one exercise, the pull-up is a great option as it works out several muscle groups all at once. Number 2, it improves your posture. As you may have figured just by watching somebody do pull-ups in the past, the exercise does absolute wonders for your back muscles. If you are looking to improve how your back works and gain muscle, the pull-up is an excellent exercise to try. Because the routine helps to pull your back muscles tighter together, you should also notice that you don't slouch nearly as much. It's much easier to maintain proper posture when you have a stronger back, and that will help decrease your risk of tweaking it down the line. Pull-ups can help you look leaner and walk taller, things that can contribute to a huge lift in your self-esteem. Number 3, you will be in an almost permanent pump stage. The term pump refers to the state that your muscles enter immediately following a workout. This term was coined because your muscles in the affected areas actually appear bigger and more defined than they would on an off day due to increased fluid volume and blood flow to that specific area. If you are doing daily pull-ups, you should notice that your upper back and arms may start appearing bigger than you would think. Incorporating pull-ups into your daily routine may actually result in an almost permanent state of pump for those muscles, which will consistently appear bigger than someone who only does pull-ups a few times a week. If you want to look good and have your muscles appear bigger and more defined sooner, doing daily lifts is a great way to accomplish that. Number 4, you will master the rhythm and technique. Pull-ups are very different, and because you are working out your back, you want to make sure that you are maintaining the proper form, so that you are not putting yourself out of commission for a while with a pulled back. While pull-ups are demanding, they are also dependent largely on form and confidence. Yes, it's obviously important to have the upper body strength to hoist yourself above the bar, but it's also important that you maintain a consistent rhythm and don't waste essential strength while you are in your set. You will feel this especially towards the beginning of your strength training journey, as you will rapidly begin improving and quickly find that strength isn't the only factor. It's also about proper form and training your muscles to respond to the movement. Number 5, your bones will become stronger. When you are doing pull-ups, you are lifting your whole body, which has a bunch of good effects that you may not realize at first. Resistance training has been found to help with bone density, making you less likely to suffer breaks and other injuries that can leave you sidelined for quite some time. Stronger muscles also require bones with more density, which is why your body signals for more minerals and calcium to be distributed to that area. The small action of doing pull-ups daily may help you become more durable and less likely to suffer from overuse injuries later on. Number 6, your grip strength will improve. Grip strength is a big part of lifting weights, and often people may be stronger than they realize but struggle to properly hold on to the weight itself. Pull-ups are a great way at improving grip strength and can also help in other athletic endeavors. Golf, bowling, tennis, and rock climbing are all at least somewhat reliant on a good deal of grip strength, and many people find it hard to improve in this way. You may notice that even everyday tasks are made easier and less frustrating after performing a routine consisting of daily pull-ups for long enough. Whether it's walking the dog, carrying in groceries, or just opening that pesky jar, you can make many of life's little quirks and annoyances easier by improving your grip strength. Number 7, your cardio will improve. Pull-ups are one of the rare strength training exercises that can also improve your cardiovascular health, especially if you're doing them the right way. Since you are moving your whole body at the same time, you can actually work up a sweat simply by doing some pull-ups every day. This helps to boost your metabolism and can result in quicker weight loss and your body running a bit smoother than usual. Doing cardio has also been found to release dopamine, which calms you down and makes you experience that uplifting and happy feeling. Doing this daily guarantees that even if you are having a hard day, you could potentially turn it around with some well-timed pull-ups. Number 8, they give your body a consistent challenge. You may think that pull-ups may eventually lose their effectiveness, but you don't have to buy weights or extra contraptions in order to get more out of your workout. Inevitably, your muscles will start to catch up to you, especially if you're really dedicating yourself to getting the most out of the workout. This will then turn your strength training workout into more of a toning cardio one, which, while still good for you, may not be exactly what you're looking for. By changing your technique, you can make the pull-up harder and challenge your muscles again and again with a variety of different techniques. Some of these will even target different muscle groups, which helps for a variety of reasons. Targeting a specific muscle group more can help you if you feel like you're not progressing as well in that section of your body as the others, which has been found to be the case for some people. This will isolate that muscle group even more and help push you and your body harder as a result. This is great because it means that you can still push your body with more challenges even if you only want to continue with your daily pull-up routine. Number 9, it helps with joint fluidity and potential arthritis issues. Another rare but great benefit of pull-ups is that they can actually help considerably with your joints, specifically those in your arms. People can often start to experience stiffness here as they get older, and other strength exercises may actually add to that strain even more. Pull-ups have been found to help target your shoulder joint pretty hard, with 80% of the action coming from that joint. This can help alleviate any soreness or stress that years of wear and tear may have had on it. Pull-ups have also been linked to helping people that are suffering from arthritis or tendinitis, as the exercise has a somewhat similar effect to yoga, only in a more intense way. If you don't think you're strong enough to do a pull-up but still want these benefits, try doing an assisted one. Or even just hang above the bar in the position and you will get at least part of the benefits to your joints. Number 10, you will be protecting your back from the effect of age. Our backs are super important to us and they can often get hit with a multitude of ailments, injuries, and more. As a result, most people think of getting older and associate it with a bad back, poor posture, and general discomfort. This discomfort can drag on too, as your back is something that is being used whether you're walking or sitting. And whenever you move, you will feel that pain. Pull-ups help improve your back strength significantly, and with proper form should help you experience almost no overuse injuries too. This is one of the most effective back strengthening exercises you can find, and you can do it with almost no equipment at all. Pull-ups can make people feel looser and more able to take on the day's more vigorous of tasks. And you will have to worry far less about throwing your back out randomly, something that can derail your day as well as your mood. Do you think that doing daily pull-ups can improve your overall health? Let us know in the comments section. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.